video. In today's video I will show you how to play an audio file inside your native macOS application, or how to create an audio player for your audio files. So first, here as you can see, I'm using AppKit and Cocos framework. I'm not using SwiftUI. And the second, and I have created a simple desktop macOS project using Xcode. The first thing which you have to do is you will have to go to sign in and capabilities, and here you will have to make sure that you add this incoming connection and outgoing connection checkbox, like check this checkbox. This is required only if you are trying to load a audio file from a URL or from a network. If you are trying to load it from your local, then this is not required. So that's one thing. Next thing is, so here you can see I have dragged and dropped an audio file over here. So I will show you both how to play a local audio file as well as a file from a network, and this is very similar to playing a video file. So all you have to do is, first of all, import AV Foundation as well as AV Kit. Then here as you can see, I am creating an AV player view. Then so first I will show you from network URL. So this is my network URL on which the file is stored, and here you can see I'm calling AV player, and then I'm creating our player view. Then player view dot player equal to player, and then I am applying some NS layout constraints to this and adding it to our subview and just calling play method. So if you just run this, if you see the output over here, it automatically gives you everything by default, like the play, pause button, the seek bar and all that stuff. So here you can see I was able to play. I will stop it immediately. Now to play a local file, all you have to do is just comment this out, okay, and just uncomment this stuff. So here just change the name to whatever your audio file name is, as well as your extension. So my file name is sample.mp3, and if you run it again, it should be able to play this particular file as well. So with very less code, we should be able to create an audio player. So yeah, I think it is still building. So yeah, build succeeded. So as you can see, I was able to play the audio file for local audio file as well. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.